Which is the best way to hem knits? A zigzag stitch or a twin needle? Haley and I are gonna have a sewing showdown. So in today's Sewdown, we're each gonna sew the way we think is right. Whose method will be the best? Don't forget to cast your vote in the comments so we can pick a winner. In this battle, Haley will hem knits with a zigzag stitch. I'll hem knits with a twin needle. We'll explain the pros and cons of each approach, and you vote for the winner in the comments. I hereby challenge you, Haley, to a sewing duel.
And I accept your challenge. So my method has a bunch of pros. Even on finicky machines, a zigzag stitch will always work. Some machines just really do not like the twin needle. You can also control how much stretch you get with a zigzag stitch. You can sew at a regular speed, or if you're like me, you can sew at a super speed. Twin needles just really don't like that. You also don't have to change your needle or rethread your machine, just select the zigzag stitch.
Well, I see some pretty big cons with your approach, Haley. First of all, it doesn't look like ready to wear. So if that's what you're going for, a zigzag stitch is gonna fall short. Your knits might also stretch when you sew it, so that can be a problem. You can also get tunneling if you don't use a stabilizer. So that's why my method is the best.
We'll see about that. If you want us to tell you exactly how to sew something, go check out our sew-alongs. Sienna teaches the Orlando t-shirt sew-along and gives you a bunch of tips for sewing with knits. We'll put that in the link below.
Here are the pros of my approach. First of all, a twin needle mimics a cover stitch, which is gonna give you that ready to wear look. It looks a lot more subtle and I think professional than a zigzag stitch does. And I think this is a big pro, by the way, so I think it neutralizes a few of the cons that you might find. You also don't need to figure out the right length and width of your stitch, and you might have to do that with a zigzag.
Well, I found some cons with your technique. With a twin needle, you can also get tunneling if you do not use a stabilizer. Twin needle stitches aren't as stretchy as a zigzag stitch, and they might have a tendency to pop. You have to stop, switch your needle, rethread your whole machine, which is a major con, and you do have to buy a twin needle.
But since you won't be using it all the time, it's gonna last you a lot longer than other needles.
True.
And that concludes our battle, so now it's time for you to decide. What method do you think works best? My twin needle technique, which is obviously the best with its really professional finish,
or my easy, quick zigzag stitch?
Cast your votes in the comments below and we'll see you at the next Sewdown.
I want to do that one again. That really went off script there. Oh.
Sorry. Sorry, I love this section.
Yeah, it's fine.
I
was like, and then?
And that's it. That's the only option.